Understanding Strategy Profile, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, strategy profile. This phrase is often used in games, business, and decision-making contexts. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations and studies. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English proficiency. A strategy profile refers to the complete set of strategies adopted by all participants in a scenario, especially in games or competitive situations. It's like a game plan that each player has. Each player's strategy, when combined with others, forms the overall strategy profile. To better understand, let's look at some examples. In chess, a player's decision to play defensively or aggressively is part of the strategy profile of the game. In business, a company's marketing, pricing, and product development strategies together form its strategy profile. Understanding these examples helps you grasp how diverse strategies come together in different contexts. Knowing about strategy profiles is important because it helps in predicting outcomes in competitive situations, aids in understanding how different strategies interact, enhances decision-making skills in business and personal life. You can use this phrase in many ways, like discussing sports. What do you think was the team's strategy profile in today's game? In business meetings, let's develop a comprehensive strategy profile for our new project. I hope this video has helped clarify what strategy profile means and how you can use it in different scenarios. Keep practicing and using new phrases in your conversations to improve your English. Until next time, happy learning!